Okay, so you want to know how to view your SD card files on your PC. Imagine that you have an SD card on your phone and you want to drag those files into your PC. The first thing you have to do is to find one of these things that I'm showing on screen. This is an adapter to SD cards. And once you have that, you have to put the SD card inside. So once you do that, you can connect it to your PC like this, and it will appear, as you can see. And here you double click and you will be able to see all the files that are on your SD card. In my case, I don't have any, so I'm just looking to nothing, but you will be able to see your pictures, your videos, your applications that are saved on your SD card. So if this video was helpful for you, I please you to subscribe, like, comment, share, press the bell in the subscription button, and see you in another easy way video. And remember to watch every tutorial that we have because they are very useful. So goodbye.